Hello, I'm Lindabradley, and I've been with Princess House for almost 40 years. And I wanted to tell you how you can get involved as a consultant. I have a lot of people ask me, well, how does it work and how do you get involved? So I want to show you. The first thing when you sign up to be a Princess House consultant is you get a starter kit because we want you to be able to have the products that you need to be able to show other people, whether in person or on video. So let me show you what comes in the kit. One of the first items that you're going to get is part of our Vitasana cookware. These are the pieces that can cook without using any extra fats or oils, so they're really healthy for you. This is the 2.5 quart size, so you can get this and start playing with it right away. In addition, another piece of cookware that we do have and bringing to you is in our nonstick collection. And this is our nonstick 10-inch pan. All of our stainless steel, by the way, has a lifetime warranty. So you can sell it with confidence, knowing that people are going to love it, use it, and be able to use it for a long time. In addition, we're going to give you some tools to help you with your cooking. So the first is the spatula. This has the silicone head and then the stainless steel base. This is great to use because silicone is heat resistant up to 375 degrees. So if you have plastic, you know it because plastic warps and peels and burns, and you're not going to have any of those problems. And then, of course, you're going to get one of our great knives. This is the German-inspired knife, and this is what they call the Dyson chopper. So they call this a Santoku knife. It has all of those little divots in there, and that helps when you're cutting sticky things like cheese or tomatoes. They're heavy. They feel perfectly because they're weighted in your hand, and they're wonderful. Also, lifetime warranty. And then you're going to get a couple of more items that you can use. This is another one of my favorites, and this is our 4-in-1 immersion blender. It's lovely because it doesn't take up a lot of room. It has a small footprint, but it can be used for so many things. So the first one is a mini food processor. You can use this to cut up celery or tomatoes, cucumbers, making salsa, but you can also use it for nuts when it's the holidays. So here is how easy it is to take it off and put it on another tool. This is our masher. So this is good for mashed potatoes and anything else that you might need. It also comes with a blender, and this one also has the vessel, so you can make smoothies in here. You can even use this when you make soups on your stove. Sometimes you do like butternut squash or tomato and you need to take it out and blend it. You don't have to take it out. You can use it right in here. And then last but certainly not least is the whip. And this is good for eggs, pancake batter, and then of course, whipped toppings. So this is called the 4-in-1 immersion blender, all right? I know that you'll really enjoy playing with that. And then two of our other favorites, part of our Vitasana produce keepers. These help keep your fruits and your vegetables really crisp for a long time. And then very last but not least, you're also going to get one of our storage containers. These are airtight, and they have the measurements up the sides, different ways that you can access them. So this is a really nice collection of what Princess House has to offer. You get a little bit of everything so that you can use it and show it to others. If you were to buy everything that I just told you, it would cost you over $600. But your first discount is you can get all of that for just $199 as a brand new consultant. Now you can either pay it in full or you can leave a deposit. You can start with just $75 and then you can take up to 3 months to pay it off or send in orders, whatever works for you. You're also going to get catalogs, order forms, everything that you need to work your business correctly. Probably one of the most important things that you're going to get is me, because I work really carefully with my new people, all of my people actually. I want to make sure that you succeed. So if you're ready to go, you can go right to my website, www.princesshouse.com/lbradley, and there'll be a little tab there that says Start Now, and it gives you all the information. If you have more questions, just reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Now, because we're a sales organization, we always have contests and prizes. I don't know about you, but I kind of like them. So right now, when you start your business and submit your first $750 in orders by November, it's either the 3rd or the 6th. I'm not sure. I'll have to check it for you. you're going to earn one of our products that everybody loves. This is called the Mandoline. Have you ever used something like this? So it's a really easy way to slice and dice. It has 7 different ways that you can do it. You can make spaghetti squash. You can do French fries. You can do slices, chopping, dicing. It's an awesome piece. And it's in the book for like, I don't know, $139. And you're going to get that for free when you send in your first $750 in orders by November 3rd or 6th. Then send in another $750, so you have a total of $1,500. Not only are you going to earn more money, but you're also going to get these 2 pans, and these are part of our stackable series. So it's a 4-quart and a 6-quart coming with the lid. These are valued at almost $300, and you're going to get them absolutely free. Then when your friends and family find out what you're doing, they're going to be interested in as well. So tell them how they can join. They can join under you. And then when you have a friend come into the business and you send in your $750 and she sends in her $750, you're going to get the electric tea kettle as a gift as well. And this is valued at over $200. So just in your very first 4 weeks in business, you can earn $450 in cash. That's how much you'll earn for $1,500 in sales. And you can also earn your Mandoline. You can earn your set of 2 cookware pieces. And if you bring somebody else, then you can earn the electric tea kettle as well. So it's an incredible experience. As I said, I've been with Princess House for almost 40 years. I did it because I was a stay-at-home mom and I wanted to be with my kids, and it was the best thing that I've ever done. As life has gone on and my life has changed, I have grandchildren now, I take care of my elderly mom, I'm able to make my schedule fit whatever's going on. And that to me is priceless, to have the flexibility of time. I love getting discounts on my products. I love helping other people do the exact same thing. And these days it's all online. You can do this from the comfort and safety of your home. So reach out to me if you're ready to go. www.princesshouse.com/lbradley, and then sign up now. And if you want to ask questions, thelindabradley@gmail.com. We do have both Spanish and English speakers in the group. So if you're a Spanish speaker, text me because I can use translator. All right. I look forward to seeing you. I'm very happy that you decided to watch my video today. Subscribe so that you never miss a video. I always do all the videos on the products. And this is one of the best companies around. We're celebrating our 60th anniversary, and that means a lot. There's not a lot of companies that have been around for that long, and there's a reason why. All right. Hope to hear from you soon.